Good evening, Coach Ursa.
Coach.
Nandito na ang ating speaker na natin.
Ay, hello, Coach Berna. Pasensya na. Hindi ako
Ayan si Coach Berna. Siya si God. Ayan si Coach Berna.
Hello, Coach Berna.
Hello po. Hi!
Coach Berna, si Ursa, siya yung wife ni Coach Ned.
Hello po. Congrats your new baby pala.
Salamat. Coach Berna, ikaw ba yung friend ni Sam?
Friend ni Eds.
Ni Eds pala. Hindi si Sam.
Oo. Hindi si Sam. Oo.
Oo. Kasi si Eds, barkada ng kapatid ko.
Okay. Kasi nag-meet kami ni Ned sa SG 2 years ago.
Ay, oo. Ay, magkasama kami noon. Hindi tayo nagkita.
Ganun ba? Iba pinakilala ni Ned sa akin yung kasama niya. I think my internet is so good that I can do something like this.
Ano yun, Coach?
Yeah.
Are you the only ones, or is it gonna get bigger and bigger? Is it gonna get bigger and bigger? Or is it just too small?
Coach Berna will wait for at least 5 minutes so we can start.
Okay, sige po.
Okay, thank you.
Do you do this every Thursday?
Yes, every Thursday and Sunday yung kay Mentor Rob na, tsaka yung kasama, yung team niya dyan sa dyan sa Cagayan de Oro, Davao, Mindanao. Tapos yung Thursday, exclusive sa amin. Dito sa Western Australia. Good evening, Coach Melong.
Hello.
Good evening, Coach Melong.
Good evening.
Kamusta yung kamusta ang yung fighting?
Okay naman. Okay naman yung Friday, nag-iisip pa lang sila. But
Okay.
na-try na sila ng Essentials.
Ay,
Wala na
yung,
sila magawa Iniwan na namin
yung presentation nyo yung kahapon?
Oo. Kahapon ba yun? Oh yeah, last night.
Okay,
Yes.
gabi, oo. Late na kayo nakauwi,
Oo nga, layo kasi.
Oh, layo. 45 minutes drive.
Yeah.
Yes, without
Okay
traffic.
Okay lang,
Well,
ganun
at least
talaga.
na-share naman yung products din. That's okay.
Oo.
Yeah. Okay, in 2 minutes, mag-start na tayo, Coach, ha? Kasi naghintay na sa atin si Coach Berna. He's already here.
Oo. Andiyan na ba siya? Wala pa.
Nandito na siya, Coach. Yes. She's waiting. Parang umalis na. Galaxy S6.
Umalis siya?
Kaya nandyan eh. Ano ba yung kanya?
Baka yung Galaxy S.
Hindi, may isa pa eh.
Sino yun?
Galaxy S6 Edge.
Siya yan? Wala
Hindi.
yung...
Hindi siya yan. Umalis. Sabi ko in 5 minutes, mag-start na tayo.
Okay.
Ano, Coach? Kailan ang run mo, Coach Melong?
Magraran na ako. Magraran na ako dito sa loob ng ano.
Mag-start na tayo ulit mag-zumba pala sa ano.
Oo, dito sa...
Balik ka na rin ng damit.
Dito sa ano. Sandali. Sandali lang. Up lang muna ako.
Mainit. Dito ba? Wala?
Ay, si Erlyn pala, meeting ID. Coach Melong, nandiyan si Tata ngayon. Send mo kaya yung meeting ID.
Ilang ano to? Ilang pages?
Are you changing theirs?
Tapos namin kumuha. Kasi ikaw kuya, tapos na kumuha kuya.
Good evening, Mentor Rob.
Three, four. Three, four, 13, 4, 13, 4, 7, 13, 4, 8, 13.
I can just get the.
Yan ang answer book. Answer book.
Why did you do that?
Answer book.
Can I check a page?
Hmm.
Can I
Good
check?
evening, everyone. Good evening, coaches. Lumabas ulit si Coach Berna. Oh, wala. Andiyan ka ba, Coach Berna? Wala.
Nakaka-connect na ba siya?
Yes, mentor. Kanina, kausap ko na siya eh. Nawala siya.
Okay. Follow up ka.
Sige po, ay mentor, thank you.
Follow up ka.
One page, that page. Can I check that page? Can I check the book?
Alin?
Look at my book.
Teka lang.
Can you just do the 100? Because I don't know how to do everything. Because I'm going to correct my book.
Oh. Sige, teka lang ha. 155. 155 is 30 B. 19, 6, 25, 17, 20, 33, 49, 57, 46, 58.
I can check my round.
Sige, tapos
Coach,
38.
ginawa katang coach ka.
38, 19. 40, 13, 45, 14, 51, 20.
Hi, I'm back. I'm sorry. My connection's so bad, but okay. Hi.
Yay! Thank you, Coach Berna. You're back.
Nag-panic ako. Okay. Okay.
Okay. Good evening, everyone. Good evening, coaches. We are very lucky this evening because Mentor Rob, top one of the best in his team. She is an executive gold director, leadership summit qualifier. And wait, there's more. She is also an AP growth qualifier, quarterly growth qualifier, and she's also one of the Philippine Top Growth 2015. Wow, grabe, Coach Berna. Super dami nito.
All right. Hi, guys.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello, Kuko.
Sandali lang. Wala ko. Nawala ako. Hi. Okay. It's so nice to meet all of you. It's so nice to meet all of you. So, I think, Mentor Robert told me na we'll be talking about prospecting and inviting in general. Is that right? Yun ba yun? So, actually, we have a lot of materials about that. But you know what? I want to share something with you because actually there's a material that we can actually use in our website. And the good thing about it is, okay lang, can I continue talking? Are we good? Are we good?
Yes, Coach, we can hear you.
Yes,
All right.
go.
Okay. Here you go. Because especially that most of our meetings is we do it online, and sometimes we have problems if kaya ko ba siya gawin, if hindi ko siya ma-meet, especially like here in the Philippines, we got used to na talagang personalized yung inviting, yung gano'n na process. But the good thing is actually there are materials that we can use even in our own Usana website. So there's a material I want to share with you. If you guys are all familiar with, we have our Usana Hub, right? Familiar naman tayo sa Usana Hub, right? I'm going to log in my account, and there's something I want to show you. And rinedy ko siya kanina, kaya when I got booted out, because everybody wants to nail an invite, right? So I think this is a really good place to start, especially if we have associates na medyo malayo or ano. So if you can log in your USANA hub, I want you to go to your hub and go to training. Then the first option there's is business development. And you click on skills and leadership training. And there's a material that says, here's how to nail the invite. I'm going to share it to you guys if I can. That's can you see my desktop?
Yes, coach.
This is what I want to show you. You go to training, then you go to skills and leadership over here. Then when you click it, it will give you these training materials. So the second option there says, here's how to nail the invite. And I think we went through this in one of our trainings dito. And I think this is a very powerful material on how we can
spread,
on how to really
all the readings.
Okay, so
through email.
it says
Send everything.
business basics, and it all starts with the invitation. Because let's face it, our business, it's really, really dependent on our
I don't know if
invites,
you
right?
can hear this one when
So,
I'm driving. But I have Bluetooth on my car, so.
Okay. So it says, even the grandest success story starts simply a hello or how are you? Because that's all it takes. And then it says, your success in this business is about the relationship you build. So sometimes in your perspective kasi it's very, very important yung relationship talaga na bibuild natin. Hindi naman kasi agad-agad. Kasi when we're starting, especially pag newbie, agad-agad, maisip na, hala, pag kailangan yung, kailangan yung mamit ko, kailangan ko siya makakausap agad about USANA. Minsan, yun actually naging allergic yung mga tao sa atin. Do you agree? It gives like a, people don't wanna, mag-invite yan siya, ganyan. Because the best way to actually invite is to really get to know a person genuinely. And I think that's how the process goes. So, everybody has their prospect list, right? And so the prospect list, it's a good way to start. But if you really want to go through get quality people in your organization, you have to also be specific on what are the kind of people you really want to be in your team. So, what are the qualities you want? So, Mentor Robert says it's, well, we can call them MENTs, like our C5. We call them C5. Are you familiar with C5? So if you're not familiar with C5, it means number 1, capacity to produce the cash. 2, credit card. 3, credibility. 4th is connections. And of course, the 5th one is compelling desire. Because you can have all of 4, and then the 5th one, wala namang desire, wala tayong magagawa dyan. Diba? And if you would want to have people in it's like on a traditional business, if you would want to have people in your team, or if you want to, not a team, if you want to have a business partner or kasosyo mo, would you want to go for people who doesn't have the cash or go for people who has the capacity to produce the cash? So really, on a realistic level, if you want to have business partners in this organization, you are looking for people who can actually produce the capital with you, right? So next is, here's a guide. If you want, you can, I want to go through this with you, and at the same time, you can also go through this yourself and with your team, because this is available in our hub. Okay? So, number 1, here's the guide to inviting people to become part of your USANA family. Number 1, find the right people. Who would not benefit from USANA? Everybody does. Everybody will. But of course, it's just important to get to know them and find out what aspect of their lives you want USANA to be a solution to them. Because in our prospecting process, USANA is really, it's like for me, if you're going to call USANA is a solution. Everybody has problems. If it's finances, if it's health, if it's time, if it's in any aspect, if it's lifestyle. I think the good thing about our business, about USANA, it's very personalized. You can make it personalized depending on what would work for that person. So, but of course, it's very important still to know what are the kind of people you would want to be in your team. Because For example, for me, I'm very specific about really wanting to have goal-oriented individuals, people who have experience in handling organizations. Of course, spare no one, and you talk to them, and you would never know their background unless you really get to know them, right? So, finding the right people is a solution-oriented people. Those seeking to improve their health and finances, and anyone looking for more more in life. Because because anyone can play a role in building a successful team. The very important part there is you have to get to know the people, find out what they're looking for. So meaning, dito na rin pumapasok yung forming, yung knowing the family background. If you're going to talk about the family background, it doesn't only mean na breadwinner ba siya. You have to get to know like, baka may sickness sa family nila. Baka this person is the breadwinner. Baka this person is looking for more time for their kids. So there's a lot of aspects of forming lang sa family background. And occupation, hindi lang yung current occupation niya. Ano yung pinag-aralan niya? Ano ba talaga yung gusto niya in the first place? Bakit niya kinuha yung course na yan? Option ba niya talaga yan o hindi? Or what does he really want to do with their life? So, and those kind of things. And get to know them really on the core. And of course, if you know what they're concerned on, that's the time. Ano yung problem nyo? That's the perfect time for you to show them how USANA is the perfect vehicle for them to get from A to B, right? And so that's how you can find the right people. And yes, start the conversation. For example, maraming akong cold market yung last na cold market din. But when you say cold marketing, a lot of people would immediately think na yung cold marketing, ngayon ko nakilala, ngayon ko presentan. So wala talaga mangyari dyan. When for me, if you're going to talk about cold marketing hindi naman kasi kailangan cold market, even yung warm market mo, it's just very, very important. Yeah, you have to get, you have to talk to them. So, yung nga sabi kanina, you just have to start with a hello, and all you have to do is start a conversation. There are no magic words to get them interested, just like any relationship. The tips here, it says, here's what you should do. Start simple. There's nothing wrong with hello or how are you? Or kumusta? Saan ka na connected? Anong ginagawa mo ngayon? Saan ka na ba? I'm currently in Perth. I'm doing this. And of course, if it's live, you smile or ano ba. And I think this is the most important part. Listen and be genuinely interested. You have to listen and be genuinely interested because you can smell insincerity a mile away. The very key, for successful prospecting or successful making connection, is for you to be genuine and to be really sincere on getting to know that person, right? So when you're during the inviting process, during the prospecting process, it's really, really all about them. So you have to make them the center of the conversation. At the same time naman, you also mirror about yourself, like, ganun ba? Ako nga rin ganito, ganyan din ako sa work, blah, 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 blah. So, show them something about you to make a connection na you guys are in the same place. Or to give you, like, to be trustworthy ba? To, like, add trust to it, right? So, of course, it's very enthusiastic. You have to be enthusiastic because, let's face it, you can transfer energy. Like, I can transfer how my enthusiasm straight to this video right now. So that's how it works. So when you're talking, people like whatever energy you have, is it negative, is it positive, or whatever it is, it can pass it on him. So with regard to prospecting, inviting, so you have to be enthusiastic. You have to be excited because excitement it's contagious. Excitement is like I'm really excited right now. If you're with someone who's really excited right now, you don't understand it, you just grab it. Bakit i-share mo sa akin, bakit excited? It's contagious. That's energy you want to pass on. That's actually, you know what, when I was running for Platinum, hindi ako marunong mag-ABC masyado. Excited lang ako. Ang dami ko na bit-bit. Pero yun yung point. If you're excited, a lot of things could happen. And if you're excited, people would really be curious. Ano ba yan? Alam mo, excited ako. Gusto ko may i-share sa'yo. So the moment you do that, wag na muna mag-analyze. O gusto nga i-share, hindi ko lang mag-share sa chat. Okay? In reality naman talaga, pwede mo ba i-share yung essentials over, may way, pero yung 6 ways to earn. Mas maganda naman talaga live. Or if you have like a set meeting like this, mas maganda naman talaga ganyan. Or like kung sabi ko nga dito, ma-explain mo ba yung 6 ways to earn over text? Hindi naman. O kung call naman, baka i-cut yung call. Di ba? So mas mabuti na alam mo, friend. So that's really, really just you have to be enthusiastic about it. Important there is, you have to know the need. Yung sa form. Kasi, yung need ng tao, dalawa lang talaga. Number 1, health. 2, finances. Specifics lang dyan. Yung kailangan. So you just have to get to know to the specific lang talaga. Diba? So next is, after starting the conversation, you're getting to know, so meaning pag cold market mo yan, or matagal na hindi nakita, let's start to warm up. Warm up ka lang. Right? And, you can go to the next level. Let me, there. It says here, there. Going to the next level, now it's time to ask how you can help your potential business partner. Pag alam mo naman kasi yung need niya, specifically, is it really time? Is it health? Is it finances? Yung specific na, find out, you can also, forming up to it, about work, what they like. So, diving into these topics will show you ways on how you can provide solutions for their needs. That's where the magic of the invitation starts. Because if alam mo na yung ini-invite na, yung ino-offer mo sa kanya, solution sa problema niya, alam mo naman na pag hindi siya mag-show up, hindi siya makinig, siya naman ang talaga nawalan. Diba? Ito yun. Ang important lang there is, even, and you'll be helping them develop their work. So even if hindi pa sila nag-sign up sa isang, they already, nade-develop na yung reason, or yung parang core, yung need, na bakit nila gagawin talaga ito isang bagay. At marirealize naman talaga na ba't nila ginagawa yung bagay na ginagawa nila ngayon, whether they like it or not. Diba? So, there. It's like making, yun talaga yung, if you're going to ask about the inviting process, wala. There are like scripts about it. If maybe there's a chat here, I can share it to you later, like setting appointments, you can go through it, like, or whatnot. But the main important factor in an invitation is, number 1, really, really knowing the need of the person. And getting to know, like, making that, like, important kasi yung trust factor din eh. Diba? So the moment you make the invitation then, so there, when you make the invitation, once you know the problem that you can help them solve through Usana, so through the form, it's time to present Usana as a solution. That means the time you make the invitation. Sige. So you can be casual and professional. Actually, yung tip dito is yung KISS, yung keep it short and simple. You have to keep it short and simple lang. So, be casual and professional. You can do it over the phone or internet. You have to make sure it's 5 minutes or less. Kasi yung forming yun yung matagal. Right? But yung invitation process, you have to make it in 5 minutes or less. Because you have to also make sure like you're busy, you're in a hurry. The important part there is use common business terminology like appointment. For me, I use the word meeting. Meeting or appointment. You don't have to say presentation. It's usually a meeting or appointment for me. Then you just give 2 options. Are you familiar with the power of choice? That's how I usually do it. I always close my appointment that way. So when are you free? So you know what, friend? You told me that you're having you would want to earn extra because you have extra time during the weekend. There's something I want to show you. That would that be okay? If she does this, yes, okay. When there's a yes already, keep it short and simple. Close the appointment right away. The moment you make an invitation, kasi minsan mag-make tayo invitation, namin tayong chika-chika in between eh. Diba? So yung important there is, the moment there's a yes already sa invitation mo. Okay, sige, I'm excited to meet you. Kailan tayo magkikita? Or kailan tayo mag-online meeting? This time, Tuesday or Thursday? Tuesday or Thursday? Sige, Tuesday. All right. Ano yung convenient time for you? I'm available at 6 or 8 p.m. 6 or 8 p.m. or 2 or 4 p.m. Or, kasi pag hindi sila available during that time, sila na mabibigay ng option. But most of the people, actually, they don't know their schedule the following week. So, mas maganda, ikaw na yung magbigay ng time. Diba? So, pag nagbigay mo na yung time na gano'n, then, ano na, sila na yung bahala kung saan nila i-fit yung schedule nila din. Kasi, let's be honest, most of the friends we know, they don't really know their schedule the following week. And when they tell you they're busy, that it only means one thing, I don't really know my schedule, but I don't have any plans really, but maybe I just don't want to meet you right now. So, mas maganda yung ikaw yung specific. Kasi at the same time, like for example, you know what, friend, I can meet you Tuesday or Wednesday because I have a business trip this coming along. Because all of you guys are busy. All of you guys, you're busy at work. You have to show them that you're also very busy. Diba? So, anyway, after that, and remember, this is all about them. So, when you make a prayer, when you make an invitation, you have to remind them, ano yung need nila, gusto mong i-address. And dun ka babalik. Diba? So, don't go into detail about Usana yet. So, minsan, ito yung do's and don'ts, diba? Don't say Usana, don't say, may do's and don'ts tayo. May isang do's and don'ts talaga ito, kung don't talaga. Don't entertain questions. Kasi dyan tayo nasasabit minsan. Kasi the moment you entertain one question, you open a can of worms. Ang daming tanong. Next thing you know, hindi mo alam, nagpe-present ka na over the chat, over text, over ano. So really, number one, don't entertain questions. Because everybody deserves to have a good presentation. Like we did. We had a good presentation. Everybody deserves to have a good presentation. So at least we can also take our business seriously and make sure that we meet them during the time that we're meeting. You know what, friend? I really want you to appreciate this, and this is the time that I really want to show this to you. When are you free? Tuesday or Thursday? Okay, Thursday. Okay, Thursday. All right. You know what? I'm open 2 o'clock and 6 o'clock, which is convenient for you. Where can we meet halfway? Okay. All right. Sige ha. And then the moment they said yes to that, I'll give you a text or a call a day before ha para to remind you of our meeting kasi I'm excited to meet you talaga. I can't wait to share this with you. This is such a blessing. And that's it. That's it. Important din, the moment mo login, i-note mo. Carpe lang naman tayo, di ba? I-note mo siya. The moment mo-note mo siya, a day before, i-remind mo. Kasi minsan tayo, nagsiset ng appointment, tayo din nag-forget. Yun important. Okay? So, and you know what? You just have to do it all over again. And nothing happens until you make it happen. You know, and it says here, so be prolific, not perfect. I always say, progress over perfection. Do it every time until you find a niche, hanggang magiging muscle memory mo na siya. It's always going to be progress over perfection. Don't wait. Wala kasi hindi pa perfect ganito ganyan eh. Hindi mo siya mali-learn until you keep doing it all over again. And you know what? The more people you talk to, the more invitations doled up, the more mistakes you make, and yes, the more you learn about it. Alam mo, until now, I still have a lot of bloopers. Marami pa din akong bloopers when it comes to invitation. I still do it anyway. Kasi, magro-review pa ako, diba? So, that's ano. So, and yeah, it says here, remember, none of this is easy, but it's worth it. Yes, you know, guys, it's all going to be worth it. And because one hello said, one relationship built, and one invite made could change the course of your business, someone else's life, diba? And you can go through this material. By the way, so far, are we learning? Are we learning ba so far? Is everyone okay?
Yes, coach.
Okay. All right.
Yeah.
So, at least this material, you can find this material in our hub. So if you want to share this with your new associate, you can share it with them as well. Diba? And then ano lang, alam niyo na, there's a file I want to share with you. Tingnan ko if pwede ko siyang i-share sa chat natin na. Is there a way na I can send a material here? Or maybe I can get Miss Christine, can you give me your email para may email ko siya sa iyo? It's all about inviting eh. Parang yung scripts. I wonder if you have it already.
If you want, coach, you can share it as well.
Ano ba? Let me see.
I-open mo lang din, coach.
I-open ko siya. Wait, I don't know how to. Wait. Okay.
If you want, you can stop sharing and then mag-share ulit.
Paano ko siya? Share. Let's see. Hindi techie, sorry. Posh.
Okay lang, coach. If you want, you can stop sharing and then share it again.
Paano mag-stop sharing?
Meron diyang
Here,
ano.
got it, found it. I found it. Wait. And then, let me go to, let me see, chat and let me see. More.
Yeah, sharing na lang ulit.
Here. Where was that? Wait. Give me a moment. This one. Do you have this already?
Yes, we can see it.
Oh, you can see it. So there are three kind of approaches. Number one is direct approach. So this usually works if parang close kayo. And my favorite, wait. And are you familiar with this already? Direct approach, indirect approach. Oh my gosh.
We
And-
heard it already, but we forgot it. I think so.
Okay. Here's now. Let me open another file. Yeah. This one. Okay. Ito yung ano. You can see my screen, right?
Yes,
I can
coach.
email this to you. I can email this to you guys, but this is what I really want to show you. Because there are a lot of scripts, but for me, my favorite, especially during here, you can keep it short and simple. And for the direct approach, ito, number one, direct approach. Ang dami kasi, pero this is my favorite. Hi, I found something. Here, ito. Hi, I just found something that I'm so excited about and I thought you deserve to be the first to know. Yun. The moment, ano ba yan? Yes. Sige, gusto ko makita. Close na point. Sige, kailan ka available? Monday or Friday? Diretso na agad. Ganun lang. So, pag may yes na, keep it short and simple. Sige, you know, friend, I have a blessing I want to share with you. Ano yan? Blessing naman talaga sa'yo sana. Diba? So, ano lang, yun. And, B, complementary. Oh. Sa complementary, this usually works pag medyo mataas yung rank nila sa akin, kuya natin, ganyan. Or someone na may rank. So, ang pinaka, lang dito is, ito yung ko. Sabihin ko, uy, di ba, expert ka kasi sa business ako kasi mascom ako. Di ba, you're an accountant, you're a business manager, you're ganito, ganyan. Oh. Is it okay for me to set a meeting with you? Kasi I want to get your opinion about what I'm doing right now. Or is it, di ba, you're a nurse? Would it be okay if I set a meeting with you? I want to show you the packaging of the products I'm using right now. I know you're an expert on this. Would that be okay? Oh, sige, yes, sige, go. I'm gonna thank you, ha? So when are you free? Tuesday or Friday? Diretso na kaagad. Ganun lang talaga because, you know what? The inviting process, if you're gonna ask me, this is the most exciting part of the business. Kasi ito yung parang, ito yung nasa front line ka ba? Ito yung medyo may mga apprehension, may fear, may excitement, pero yun yung all where the nation is. But the more you get to execute it, the more it gets exciting. Diba? And ito rin. Third party, I would advise the third party approach for, are you familiar with yung mga temperaments? Like choleric, sanguine, phleg, melancholic. I
Ako,
would
Coach,
usually,
hindi.
you're
Familiar with that.
you're familiar.
I'm
You're
not.
choleric. Kasi you're not, okay. Kasi, yung third party approach kasi, this would usually work sa mga taong mahiyain, yung mga introverted. Kasi they can directly address someone directly without being direct. Parang ganun. You can indirectly invite someone directly by being indirect. Parang ganun. Example, hi, do you know someone who might be interesting to start their own business? Uy, friend, may kilala ka bang gustong mag-earn on a side project basis kung na 2 to 3 hours per day lang? Oo, US dollars yung kitaan. And you can do it kahit dito sa Australia or kahit dito sa Pinas. Ano ba yan? Sige, usap tayo. Kailan ka free? Friend, may kilala ka? O, aside from me, may kilala ka pa? O, at least, aside from her, alam mo na yung market niya. Diba? So, ito yung third party. So, may favorite dito usually pag may medyo mahiyain. Ito yung talagang ina-advise ko, yung third party. Or yung complementary. Ako medyo direct ako but sometimes I still do third party and complementary. And yun lang. And remember how you just have to keep it short and simple. So with regards to business natin, kiss lang yan. You have to keep it short and simple. The moment may yes na sa approach mo, wala nang maraming chika. Ano na kaagad? Okay, sige. Kailan ka free? Monday, Tuesday. Thursday. Okay, sige, I'm excited to see you. Alright, tapos, kailangan ko na amalis kasi I'm kinda busy. And minsan, by the way, may tip lang ako ha. Minsan kasi, mag-chat ka, ang daming tanong. Do you get that? O mag-chat ka, ang daming tanong. Or mag-text, maraming tanong. Alam mo, huwag niyong replyan agad. Huwag niyong i-scene zone muna. Balikan niyo after 2 hours. Tapos balikan mo after 2 hours, o sagutin mo na tomorrow morning. Hi friend, sorry, nabisi ako kagabi. O kailan tayo magkikita? O Tuesday, Wednesday, o diretso ka na ulit. Diretso lang dun. Tapos pag text, ngayong gabi, ang daming tanong. O, kinabukasan ko na i-reply, mga 9 in the morning. Hi friend, sorry, nakatulog ako kagabi. O nga, kailangan na, excited nga ako, i-meet ka Kailan tayo magkikita? Wednesday, Friday. Oh, diretso lang. And you know what? It's exciting. Kasi, you know what? Kasi minsan, ang daming tanong pumapasok. You just have to stop yourself talaga from answering. Minsan, makikita mo naman talaga yan na maraming dumagang na chat, ganun lumalabas. O, huwag mo na muna i-scene zone. Bukas mamaya mo na, after 2 hours mo na i-scene zone. Hi friend, tapos balikan mo na ulit sila. Yun lang always, all the time. And, by the way, did you guys learn something? Are you guys learning?
Yes, you will learn
good.
a lot.
Okay, good. So anyway, you can add me in Facebook. Friend na kami ni Miss Christine. If you have any questions, any Coach Ned. So if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to talk to me or whatnot. And I will just send the file na rin to Miss Christine para she can share it with you. Kasi
Yes.
alright.
Coach Berna, pwede kaming, can you entertain questions?
Sige po.
Okay. Coaches, kung may mga question kayo, pwede na tayo mag-raise kay Coach Berna. Anyone? Ako na lang muna mag-start, Coach Berna.
Sige, go.
Ayun, natutuwa ako dun sa sinabi mo na kapag may mga question, kapag sa FB or sa Messenger, na huwag sagutin muna. So at least nakuha kong idea na kayo. Pero paano kung halimbawang personal mo siyang ini-invite, yung face-to-face kayo, paano kung ang dami niya ng question, paano ko siya ikakato, paano ko na hindi siya hindi ma-entertain yung question niya?
Yung what do you mean personal invitation ngayon? Like face-to-face tayo?
Face-to-face ka.
Tapos ini-invite mo siya for an appointment?
Yes, and then marami siya na agad question.
Maraming tanong. Sabihin mo sa akin, alam mo friend, gusto ko talagang sagutin lahat yan. So, if gusto ko siyang sagutin ngayon, may time ka ba? You have 30 minutes now? Oh, kaya lang ang busy din Oo. Kaya ang ganito na lang, I would want to answer all your questions. Kaya lang, let's meet na lang. Kailan ka free? Tomorrow or the following day?
Okay.
Yun pa rin yung principles.
Yes. Okay, thank you.
I really love to answer all your questions. Kaya hindi ko siya, we're on a hurry ngayon Di ba? I would want to, I'd love to show you everything. Are you free tomorrow or the following day?
Yes,
Sige,
yes.
Sige. Tawagan kita bukas ha. Ka-excited din ako. Ganun lang.
Yes. Thank you. Ang ganda. Sobrang excited pa, di ba?
Oo,
Excited.
ganun lang.
Thank
Oo,
you,
it's
Coach.
talaga. Oo. Alright, you're
Yes.
welcome. Any questions? Sige. Sige, go. But anyway, if you have any questions, you can add me in Facebook and you can just, I can answer your questions there. You're always, yun talaga. Ha? Sige.
Question.
Right. So, I think, okay.
Any question, coaches?
Christine, question.
Okay. Okay, Coach Mimay, go ahead.
Okay.
Question po. Mimay po.
Hello
Question
po,
ko
Miss Lina.
have you ever encountered na yung mga negative na tao and paano mo in-address? Kasi yung mga sample na nabigay nyo parang may interest sila dun sa business. Paano i-address yung mga negative agad?
Yung negative kasi, may story yan. Wala naman negative on default. Wala negative on default. Yung negative talaga, may may background, may reason yan behind. So, hindi ko sila agad. Tinatanong ko naman, ganun ba? Dinidig ko. Nag-probe ako saan galing yung negativity, yung objection. Baka kasi yung mami niya network marketing before, tapos negative ganyan, na-scam. So, normal na mag-negative yung tao, di ba? So, pero yung yung tip dyan is feel self-found lang. So, i-probe mo kung saan ang galing. Tapos, you're really willing to listen talaga kung saan siya, where he or she is coming from. Tapos, gawin mo lang yung magic word na feel self-found. Ayun, ganun kayo pala. You know what, friend? I know how you feel. Kasi, I would feel the same way if yan nangyari sa akin. But you know what? I found out. Ang ganda kasi ng product niyo sana. Ganyan. You know what, friend? I found out, hindi pala. Parang ganun. You know what, friend? I know how you feel because I felt the same way before. Negative din ako before, tapos mag-share ka ng personal story mo. Para maging genuine siya. Then I found out, hindi pala. Ayun, walang negative on default. Negative yan kasi may experience, may background, may past information. So mag-probe ka lang. Kaya nga minsan it takes time eh.
Para kasing coach, ang sa tingin ko, ang talaga is prospecting. Mahina ako dyan.
Perspective?
Oo, mahina ako dyan. Mahina akong mag-convince ng tao.
That's
Pero,
okay. You know what?
Oo.
Sorry. Going.
Nakakapag-convince. Alam mo yung close mo na. Pero yung mga third party, hirap ako doon.
Okay. Ano lang? Build relationship with them. Tapos you know what? Bagsakan mo lang ng realization. Sabay-sabay kayo. Ayun nga eh. Parang realization. Kaya nga eh, parang ganun pag like home time. Ako nga rin, gusto ko na ng more time. Pero pag sa employment, parang hindi ko talaga siya makuha, no? Kahit nandito pa tayo sa Australia. Kasi pag hindi ako mag-work dito, wala rin income eh. So mga little things, medyo magpasapol ka muna. Di mo kasi, you cannot fight fire with fire agad. Dapat kunin mo muna yung loob. Parang ganun.
So, it
Tapos
takes time.
Takes time talaga. Perspective takes time.
I got one wrong out of the whole book. Sige. One wrong out of the whole book.
Minute sa salita.
You have question? By the way, Ms. Mimi, I hope that I answered your question.
Opo, salamat. Thank you.
Okay, sige. Sige po. Okay lang. Can I get back to you after siguro mga 15 or 20 minutes? Okay lang? Okay lang? I'm sorry. Kasi mag-complan na ako real quick for an HFO. Okay lang?
Okay, Coach.
I'll get back. Ha?
Okay.
Sige. Thank you. Sorry.
I had a
Wala, coaches, umalis. 15 minutes. Kakain niyo pa maghintay? May complan daw siya eh.
Okay lang, Coach Tin, 15 minutes. Toilet break.
Asan daw siya? Ay, asan daw pupunta?
Ano daw, may complan? Para may ano siya na compensation plan. Baka nasa ano siya. Ang tagal nun eh. Hindi ako makasagot. Sabi, parang gusto ko sabihin, ay, di, okay na next time na lang. Kasi 9 o'clock na. Kaya naman sabihin sa kanya, hindi, wag na, okay lang, tapos na tayo. Ay, naku.
Anong sabi ni Mimay ang problema niya? Problema.
Maganda yung ano, magaling siya.
Problema ko. Mahina ako doon.
Coach Mimay, maganda yung sinabi niya, ha? Maganda
Oo
yung
nga.
sinabi niya na you have to ano daw muna. Kung hindi, kasi ang pag-build ng relationship, medyo matagal. Kaya mas maganda yung sinabi niyang isa na yung I know how you feel, yung mga ganon. Kasi ganon din ako.
Kumbaga sakyan mo muna yung ano niya, kung bakit siya. Sakyan mo muna, tama, blah, blah. Correct,
Oo nga.
tama.
Yan, ganyan naman. Parang yung ano, di ba, sabi mo, ay, oo nga, ganyan din ako dati. O, di ba?
Sympathy ba? Empathize at chuchuchu. Huwag ka magulo dyan na, Chiba.
Yes, correct. Magaling niya si Kat.
Ay, syempre. Correct.
Tsaka
Ano?
maganda,
kita.
maganda yung sabi niya kapag may mga tanong pala, saka mo na after 2 hours, babalik ka. Tapos, ay, friend, ano ha, ano, gano'n. Ang ganda, no? Dati ko palang gawin yun. Kasi minsan may tanong, paano ko ba yun? Oo nga eh. So, syempre, hindi mo pwedeng ano. Ibig sabihin pala, ang gagawin natin is, parang lulusot ka muna, no?
Oo, kasi tayo pag may nagtanong, straight away, tinasagot natin eh.
Mm-mm.
Kasi iniisip natin, baka sabihin, dinedma mo. Ganun.
Oo. So, pwede naman pala para mag-meet talaga kayo.
At saka,
Ano na namang nangyari sa'yo, Sis Mary Lou?
Miss Melo, na-standby na naman eh. Galaw-galaw.
Nai-stroke eh.
Galaw-galaw, Coach. Coach Melong.
ano ko?
Makikinig lang.
At hindi mo na kailangan yung strategy.
Ano na yung strategy dyan?
Kayang-kaya mo kaya yung catch. Ginagawa mo rin yun.
Anong catch? Pinagsama mo na yung coach catch siya.
Yung coach at saka catch, nagsama ko catch. Ang galing mo. Paano mo nalaman na pagsama ko yun?
Approach. Kasama.
Oo nga, magaling ako dun minsan. Sobrang shortcut.
Ano nga?
Cockroach.
Si
Kasi kailangan natin yung upuan. Should be a cup of
Nakaupo
coffee.
naman tayo ah.
Next time, kailangan a cup of coffee daw. Kailangan natin yung i-drawing. Drawing natin yung coach cut. Kailangan may drawing.
Hindi, tingnan mo na lang yung ano ko, points ko.
Hmm?
Kagayang ginawa ni Mimay.
Oh, gano'n naman eh. Pero kasi kailangan.
Actually, meron si Mimay ano sa akin eh. May sinend siya sa akin na ano.
Yung
Drawing. Ay, yung
points,
drawing.
Kaya lang ang problema ko ngayon yung ano yung medyo, yung sa auto-order nung isa.
Saan taga dito?
Doon lang ako magaling mag-compute, pero yung prospecting sa'yo na.
Coach Mimay, dapat alam mo mas maganda, coach. Nasabayan mo si Coach Cathy.
O, hindi ko
Kasi
nga siya
parang pag sinabayan mo siya, talaga mararank advance ka. Kasi kung may mga generate na points si Cathy, pupunta ka dun sa isa mo, to talaga mag-rank advance ka rin, sabay kayo.
Oo. Kailangan may maipasok ko sa kabilang side kasi may ipon siya.
Ganon. Madali naman yan sa'yo eh. Yung kabila na lang talaga yung gagawin mo. Meron ka ng meron ka ng Coach Cathy, meron ka ng Dragon.
Oo nga.
Wala na, naubusan na nga ng kilay eh.
Coach, kailangan mo silipin mo ulit yung contact list mo. Hindi ka mauubusan.
Hindi, kilay lang naman, pero yung contact list meron pa.
Very
Marami
good.
yung
Yung
pet
silipin mo,
time
drawing ka.
Hindi, yung yung time lang kasi, lang ako pagka Friday, pag day off namin, di ba? Tapos kailangan day ako ng Friday para napupuntahan ko yung mga dapat mapuntahan.
Presentation, meeting, appointment and meeting. Pag mga ganyan naman, actually kasi maganda talaga kasama yung kasama ka. Pero kapag talagang hindi magawa na makasama ka, pwede mong sabihin kay Coach Mimay, tapos siya nagagawa ng paraan. Atake niya si Coach Menong. Atake niya ako, si Coach Ned, ganon. Ganon ang gagawin mo, Coach Cathy. Kesa naman paragang walang mangyari kasi nga, hihintayin talaga yung mo.
Kaso kasi minsan, di ba, yung pipresentahan mo, ina-expect, nandun ka, di ba?
Yun kasi talaga ang pinakamaganda. Dapat nandun ka.
Parang sure, na ikaw nag-invite, dapat talaga nandun ka. Kasi parang backup lang kami.
Di ba? Ang kung tutusin, yung parang ang binibigyan na lang ng time, yung ikaw, hindi naman actually yung product eh.
Correct ka dyan. Ikaw kasi yung binibenta mo yung sarili mo.
Ikaw na lang mag-isa.
Hindi na
sabi sa inviting be genuine or be sincere. Be genuine and sincere.
Ay, ma-share ko lang si Ate Marites. Yung sa ay nako, blooming ang lola mo.
Wow, talaga?
Siya, as in talagang yung nag-improve siya.
Hindi na siya
Talaga?
ng prescription niya.
Pero although kumakain pa rin siya nung sa labas, ganyan-ganyan. Pero yung pinsan ko kasi sila, 'di ba? Pero yung classmate ko, ang kapatid niya, pinsan ko rin. So, nag-chat kami, sabi niya, nakarating na nga daw ng Qatar yung ibang order.
Wow.
Kaya, sabi ko, mabuti. Magbenta siya doon.
Galing naman nun. Galing niya naman.
Kasi yung, asawa nung pinsan ko sa airline nagtatrabaho. So, every, 2 months na uwi. Ganyan.
Yeah.
So, kaya ang dala niya ang vitamins na, pang 2 buwan.
Oh, wow. Talaga? Paano yung pang 2 buwan?
Wala ba sa Qatar?
Wala.
Hindi, kasi di ba sa Philippines, ang isang set, 2 months mo yung gagamitin eh. Dahil, lang siya eh. Kalahati lang siya ng, once lang
Sa
siya.
atin.
Oo. Pang 2 months mo yung isang set ng essentials doon, kaya tipid.
Pero ang auto-order kasi monthly.
Yun lang. Kailangan talaga mabebentahan.
Kailangan talaga magbenta, no? Pag sa Pilipinas. Kasi hindi rin monthly yung kanilang ubos ng product eh. 2 months eh. Maganda sana talaga sa Pilipinas eh, mag-market. Lalo na yung mga katulad ng pinsan ni Cathy. Cathy Tess, talagang no? Lupit.
Siya, yun eh. Hindi kasi yun CPA yun sa, ayan na, sino dumating?
Hindi, nawala si Mimay. CPA
CPA
siya?
yun sa Honda.
So marami rin siya talagang contact, ganon.
Mm-mm.
Mm.
Tapos yung anak nun, sa UP, graduate ng ang tawag dito, yung walang bayad scholar ng UP.
UP
Sa
Diliman?
sa broadcasting, oo.
Diliman, no? Los Baños. Saan siya?
Photography yata. Sa Manila. Sa Diliman, oo.
Wala si Coach Mimay. Nasaan na si Coach Melo? Wala tuloy si Coach Melo.
Ito na.
Lalaki na naman yung bill ko nito. Ang laki ng bill ko.
Sa ano, internet? O sa phone mo, data?
Sa internet.
Di ba yung sa bahay nyo naman, ano?
Nasa work kaya ako.
Pag nga, yung data mo dyan. Hayaan mo na, kailangan mo na lang mag-work hard pa para, ano na ba next, Coach Ati? Anong next goal mo? Before the end of this year? December, before matapos December.
Director yan.
Oo, kaya.
Labi, please!
Kaya niya mag-director.
Coach Mai.
Ako,
Oo.
okay lang ako mag-achiever sa ngayon.
Hindi, sa totoo lang naman, kung may pangpuhunan naman, kaya eh. Kaya lang,
Bibenta naman no?
kasi most of na kakilala mo naman, gusto nila yung parang 2 beses. Yung di bigla ang bayad. Alam mo yun?
Installment.
Mabigat din kasi, oo.
Kung may
Director sa'yo, Coach Cathy? Director sa'yo before the end of this year?
isang buwan na lang.
Oo naman, kaya mo pa yan. Kailangan lang talaga meron kang map, yung Massive Action Plan. Kailangan nakasulat lahat yan, tapos meron ka ng computation. Tapos ang pinakamagaling, yung mga downline mo, i-ano mo rin.
Director, coach, ilang points siya?
1,000, 1,000? O, teka, kunin natin yung points natin,
1,000 lang, ma'am. Silver director yung 5,000.
1,000 yung silver.
Eh, 1,000 hindi. Ano lang yun? Builder lang yun.
Builder, 2,000 yung ano.
2,000 achiever. 5,000.
3,000 yung director. 3,000 yung director, Coach Mai.
3,000.
Oo. So, tapos bronze ang susunod.
Mahirap pala.
Ayan, kailangan kasi pati yung ano mo, yung mga associate mo sa baba, iyan mo sila.
Kaya niya yan.
Actually, sa'yo, Coach Mai, kasi yung left mo wala naman ng problema, yung right lang. So, tutulungan mo lang talaga si Cathy. Tsaka yung mga associate ni Cathy.
At saka
Tignan mo
kailangan ko
yung
rin ng akin.
yung 1,000, achiever, 2,000, director, 3,000, bronze, 4,000, silver, 5,000. Director, 4 consecutive week, 5,000. Kaya? Alin sa'yo, Coach Mai?
And ilang weeks na lang eh.
Kaya mo pa yung director? 3,000, 3,000. Yung left mo, magkano na yung sa left mo eh. Meron na ka ng ganito eh.
Report.
Tintinan mo yung sa, may ginawa naman na si Mimay, kaya lang konti,
Konting push na lang.
konti. I-PM ko sa'yo.
Sige nga, anuhin natin.
Tapos sabi niya rin, kung maaano yung mga mag-auto-order sana. Ayan, sinend ko na sa'yo.
Sige.
Baka hindi niya maintindihan yung drawing ko.
Hindi yung, ini-screenshot ko lang yung sa akin.
Mga ano yan? Mga upgrade yan. Kasi, due sila
Ay,
upgrade.
hindi ko pa yun sinend. Sinend ko lang yung points ko.
Yung points nila, maganda makita natin yung coach. Pero alam mo, maganda rin tong sa'yo ha. Lahat talaga meron, no?
Oo, balance siya eh.
Oo nga
Walang na point. Pasok lahat.
Mm.
Yan yung maganda na weekly, ano siya, commission talaga kung ano yung mga ilalim niya gagalaw.
Kasi kung director is 3,000, dito dun sa may 605 mo na, pwede mo na yung work out mo yung business 3 right mo. Tapos yung sa business 2, dadagdagan mo na lang din yan. Sa business 1, yung left. Uy, nako. Ganda nito, Coach Kat.
Tsaka madami siyang associate.
Sige, lagyan natin. Nasaan yung computation mo, Coach Mai?
Nasa
Kasi
kanya.
gagawa ko lang si Cathy.
Achiever lang yun for next week. Yung target.
Achiever na to? Kaya to. Ano na?
Pag nag-upgrade. Pag nag-upgrade lahat ng ano niya, ng baba niya.
Si ano ba? Si Christina, may mga associate na siya na napasok.
Wala pa.
Bakit hindi niya kulitin si Michelle yung taga dito sa Wellard? Kinulit ko na rin yun eh. Pero kung mas kaya ni Christina, ba't di niya yan?
Si Michelle?
Oo. Michelle De Luna.
Sino yon?
Kilala ni Christina yun. Sabi nga sa akin ni Michelle eh, Ate Tin, nag-message sa akin si Christina. Sabi niya, yan niya daw sa'yo sana. Sabi ko nga, ikaw nga matagal mo na akong kinukulit. Sabi ko, talaga bakit? Tignan mo si Christina, kinukulit ka na, mag-join ka na kasi. Sabi na, try mo ulit si Christina na balikan si Michelle. Please. Para kulitin namin pareho, malay mo ba niya.
Actually, may plano naman silang mag-asawa. Kaya lang, kasi di ba may mga tao rin na ayaw mo i-push kasi baka gusto mo yung may sarili rin silang kusang palo ba?
Papaluin, Initiative.
Pag nag-PPPS lahat ng ibaba mo, magda-director. Kasi PPPS nun, 1/6 agad sila lahat. Ayun, hindi lang director yun. Bilangin mo yung associate mo. Ang dami nun. Kahit PPS lang kahit PPS lang sila, papasok ka.
O basta ang kailangan mo lang nito, Sis Kat, is ka ng 3,000 points each, left and right. So, madali na tong compute, no?
Hindi ko ma-send Ikaw na nga lang.
Okay lang
ako?
ako compute. Yung kay Coach Mai. Send mo sa akin, Coach Mai. Yung sinend mo kay Ang ganda nito kay Kat. Yung left one, tapos dito. Kay Coach Mimoy, malaki yung niya, business, 2 and 1, di ba, Coach Mai? 2 and 1, left nga lang din lahat. $15 minutes na ba?
Dapat pala magmi-meeting din tayo ng ganito. Yung pag hindi tayo makaalis, na tayo lang yung mga maps
Oo.
natin.
Kahit yun sa computation lang or kung yung mga concern natin. Ayan, thank you. Parang galing sa KFC to,
Doon napupul ako pag tanggal ko sa
So, yun, tinotal mo siya, 600 siya doon. Nadagdag.
Yung mga upgrade yan, mga upgrade. Sabi ko effortless siya dyan, i-push na lang yung upgrade.
Okay. So, pinush mo yung upgrade.
Sa computation ko yan,
Oo, so 800. So, meron na siyang
Kailangan niya pa rin ng 600 kasi ang dami niyang points sa BC3 left.
1 to 1.4 ka na dito. So, 600 yung kailangan niyang mag-enroll siya.
Oo.
Sa achiever. Effort nito. Pero actually, ang maganda naman ito, kung yung mga mo, Katulad niya si Adelina, si Sis Adelina, kapag nakapag-ano siya si Scott,
Minus na yun sa ano niya. Minus na nun sa 600 kung may maipasok. Ay, asan ba si Ed?
Ano yan ni Sheila eh? Kasama
Ay,
niya si
hindi.
Sheila.
Kailangan niya ng BC3 right eh. So, kailangan niya talaga sa right. Kasi nasa BC3 left lahat yung points niya.
Oo. So sa right niya, kailangan niya enroll.
Oo, kailangan niya talaga doon.
Mm-mm. So sa BC3 right mo, kailangan mong enrollan yan. 200 ang nilagay mo dito, Coach Mayo.
Saan?
Kasama na si Levi, 200.
Lahat yan upgrade eh. Kasi lahat yan BC1 eh.
BC3, ano ba si Levi? BC3 right?
Sino?
Yan yung
Si Sister Levi sa BC3 right mo ba siya nilagay?
Ilalagay ko pa lang. Sinama mo na ba doon?
kasama siya sa kasama siya sa
Computation.
computation. Oh, minus siya dun sa ano. Saan ba siya nilagay? Saan ba siya nilagay? Sa right yata.
Sinama mo na sa BC3 right. Ay, BC3, ewan ko kung left or right to. Pero kung maganda, kung nilagay mo siya sa right.
Oo, right. Right siya, pero hindi ko matandaan kung 2 o 3.
Sa right. So, di malamang sa BC3. Kasi nilagay mo dito BC3 eh.
Malamang.
Includes Liberty BC3. So, right na yon.
Malamang nabasa mo yung pangat ng sulat.
Magaling ako sa basahan ng mga pangit na sulat kasi minsan pag ako din madalian, toing. At saka grabe ka naman, nababasa naman, Coach May. Pangit ba yan? Hindi naman Nagmamadali lang.
Oo, mabilisan lang. Abstract.
Pero ito si Joyce, 800. Kaya to, coach ka to. Basta i-ready mo na before ka mag-run, i-ready mo na silang lahat para sabay-sabay sila that week na upgrade and yung sabay-sabay din enroll mo dito sa BC3 lab. BC3 right.
Pag may in-enroll yung, asan ba si Christina? Nasa left kasi. Kailangan talaga right BC3.
So, kailangan niya talaga din mag-enroll. Kaya maganda, ilagay niya dyan si Coach Levi. Tapos si Coach Levi, kapag mayroong presentation, enroll na kaagad, enroll. Dire-diretso.
Oo.
Ganun ang gagawin mo. Ano mo si Sister Levi. O, sister, saan tayo? Yan, dire-diretso. That week, puro presentation kayo. Para makuha. Kasi, laki nandito mo. Wow. Galing mo nga sis eh. Kailan ka lang, biroy mo.
Ang dami niya, di ba? Yung akin nga, 4 lang eh. Hirap na hirap pa ako eh. Sean, may 8 na yata siya, Sean.
Ang dami na to. Sponsor, to eh. Mas Mas
Tapos
pinakamaraming sponsored enroll.
Tapos ano pa siya, yung tawag doon? Siya lang. Siya lang nag-work niyan.
Ay, caring ni Cathy. Yan ang kanyang talent.
Walang
Binibenta niya sarili niya eh. Kaya namin yung nag-live lang siya sa kanya.
Kung sino yung may pinakamaraming enrollee, ibibigay ko to.
Mayabang. Bibigay daw sa'yo, Coach Kat.
Magpabalato ka muna dyan. Hindi ka nakakain eh.
Oy, sa Saturday. Kita-kita tayo sa Saturday, ha?
Ay, ate.
Para mabasa niyo.
Tita.
Sponsor award.
Wala bang the most beautiful associate, blah, blah, blah.
Reality daw.
Ay,
Ano
naku,
ba
ano?
Malapit na. Di ba yung 15 minutes? Baka 30 minutes.
May kaaway. May kaaway yung natin.
May presentation daw siya.
May kaaway.
Bilis magsalita eh, no? Ayos.
Oo, nagmamadali.
Kamag-anak ni Edna.
Ganun ba kabilis? Lumaki tuloy yung mata ni Edgar.
Malaki na talaga.
Pangalan niya.
Uy, grabe, sensor, oh. XXX.
Ready na rin ka na. Todo, naka-ready ka na?
Boy Scout.
Boy Scout. Boy Scout.
Naghihintay, nag-ano, waiting.
Yung Boy Scout, may batuta yun.
Stop pa. Stop.
Hindi may tagal na kinig. Tagal na
Uy.
Hindi, ayaw ko na. Dito na ako.
Walang batuta yun. Tulungay ng kalabaw.
Guard pala yung guard. Sorry.
Kalorky kayo. Mamaya may ibang tao dyan ah.
Wala, pero rinig tayo sa buong bahay.
Naku, ano na kaya nangyari doon? I-message ko na kaya na ano.
Sabi mo tulog na yung mga makikinig. Tulog na po makikinig.
Taga. Parang nga, parang ha? Okay.
Akala ko sira lang yung telepono ko. Ang bilis magsalita eh.
Ano yun? At least double time. Diba?
May hinahabol na rank advance.
Malamang.
Nga daw, Ruby, di ba?
Coach,
Ding dong. Oh.
yung sa volleyball sa All-Star, si Cecil kasi yung isang captain ball dun sa Lady Hawk, nag-ano siya na, nagsabi ako na meron tayong kilala na pwede magtingin ng t-shirt. Kasi ayaw na din actually kumastos. Ang pangit naman kasi nung sinasabi niya na, Bibi, sorry yung sa netball, ikakabit ko lang.
Oo nga. Sa yun, sako? Sinuotan ka lang ng sako?
Hindi, sabi ko parang netball. Tapos yun nga sabi ko, may karoon tayong kilala na pwedeng gumawa ng t-shirt. Kasi ang gusto niya lang naman, t-shirt tapos with number, sabi niya gano'n. Tapos di sabi ko meron. Tapos pinagawa ko kay coach, kay bro. Grabe naman yun eh. Kasi madalian, December 11 na, di ba?
O, ano sabi? Anong gagawin?
Ang pinakamura na daw is $15.
Basta ako may t-shirt akong isusuot. May yusana na ako.
Sinabi ko nga sa kanya eh.
Teka lang. Wait, Akim, come here. Come here. Dahil.
Hi, Kim! How are you?
He's just pretending he's working, okay?
Same as the manager.
Yeah, who's the manager?
Next up like manager.
like mother, like son.
Pinagli sa duhat.
Ay, salbahe. Ang puti. Ang puti naman ni Coach Edgar.
Ang puti yung kilig-kilig niya. Napakita mo nga.
Ano pa ka yung pagka-adonis ko?
Hala. 9:20, Coach Ursa.
30 minutes na halos.
Marami pa akong gagawin. Coach Ursa. Hello. Coach Ursa.
Kaya na lang dalawa talaga eh.
Coach Ursa, how are you? Pwede bang i-message ko na lang si Berna na na i-message na lang natin sa kanya yung mga tanong natin.
Oo nga. At saka yung email niya.
Oo, i-email na lang niya yung no? Okay na siguro, no? Message Coach Ursa.
Hello,
Ay, Coach Ursa. Oy, baby! Coach, message ko na lang kaya si Verna.
Sige.
Kasi 9:30 na din eh.
Oo, late na rin. Padede lang ako, coach.
Sige, gawa lang.
Ako nahihirapan din sa baby, oh.
Oo,
Cute mo na! Ang taba,
Oh my God, pero usog, pero buyag.
Oo, Oo, pero usog.
Pero buyag. Ay, mag-leave na tayo. Baka bumalik pa siya.
O, sige na, bye!
Sige, coach. Good night, coach. Good night, coach.
Bye-bye.
Bye!